My YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Birdfy app not showing recording and find and restore missing videos. So guys, if you want to fix Birdfy app not showing the recording and find and restore the missing videos, so you just follow this video. So guys, to fix this video, the app not showing the recording, first of all you update the app and check the servers. App and could not host the issue because caused recording to fail the load. So you simply go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and check if a new Birdfy app update is available. If you are getting a failed to load the memories message, so updating the app to the latest version is known to solve the server connections error. Then guys, verify motion setting and the AI filtering. If the camera is recording but no word videos are appearing in the app, so it might be due to your detection setting or the AI filters. So if you are using a Birdfy Next instead of Feeder, so note that the camera uploads everything to the server for AI processing. If the video only contain the pupil, the AI will be filter it out. Then guys, motion settings. For motion settings, go to your camera settings in the app and verify that the motion detection are relevant detecting tags are turned on and ensure the detection sensitivity is set to high. Then guys, cool down the periods. All the Birdfy's devices has cooled down the period between recording to the save battery. Then another thing is guys, power cycle and reset your device. If your device has completely stopped recording to the SD card or the cloud, so guys, you use the ejector pin to press the reboot hole on your camera to power it down completely, then hold the power button for 3 seconds to restart. And weak Wi-Fi can prevent the camera from uploading clips to the cloud, and use in-app promotions to reconnect your device. You can also refer to the Birdfy Help Center for the additional troubleshooting documentation. So guys, thank you.